Welcome to the Rule 11 video and congratulations on finishing the steering and sailing rules section. This is the first video of the section of rules for conduct of vessels in sight of one another. This rule focuses on the application for the entire set of rules in this section. So get your notepad ready and let's jump right in. Rule 11 states that the rules in this section apply to vessels in sight of one another. So what this is simply stating is that all of the rules within this section apply to vessels when in sight of one another. So the definition of being in sight of another vessel is that you can see the other vessel with the naked eye. This means that you could physically see the other vessel with your eyesight and without the use of electronics and radar. One very important thing to note is that the rules in this section do not apply when you're in restricted visibility. When you are in a restricted visibility situation, there's a complete set of rules dedicated to that situation. Don't worry, we're going to dive into those when we get into Rule 19. One very important thing that I want you to know is that as we dive into the rules for this entire section, the rules apply when in sight of another vessel. And just to remind you on the definition of what in sight means, it means that you could see that vessel with the naked eye and not the use of your electronics and radar. And also remember that these rules do not apply when in restricted visibility. I know that this might sound a little confusing to you, but trust me, as we dive into the rules in the upcoming videos, I promise you, it's gonna get clearer for you. For right now, let's take it one rule and one video at a time, write down a lot of notes, study hard, and I promise it's all gonna line up and make sense to you. So get your notepad ready, sharpen your pencil, and I'll see you in the next video.